If your iPhone suddenly has the black screen of death and isn't responding, don't worry. Here are a few things you can try to fix the black screen of death without losing any of your data. First, let's start with a force restart. This is one of the first things you should try if your iPhone screen is completely black or frozen. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and immediately press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button, even if the screen stays black at first. Release it only when you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Make sure you do the button sequence quickly and in the correct order. The force restart process is the same for all iPhones with Face ID, so these steps will work the same way. It simply gives your iPhone a fresh restart, so there's no need to worry. It won't delete any of your photos, apps, or other personal data. If that doesn't work, your iPhone battery may be completely drained. Connect your iPhone to a reliable charger and leave it charging for around 30 minutes. Make sure the charging cable and power adapter are working properly. After leaving your iPhone connected to the charger for a while, try the force restart again. If your iPhone still isn't responding, try using a different charging cable, adapter, or power outlet. Sometimes the problem may simply be caused by a charging accessory that isn't working properly. If you have a wireless or MagSafe charger available, you can try charging your iPhone with that as well. Also, check whether your iPhone is showing any signs that it's still powered on. For example, listen for notification sounds, check if it vibrates, or see whether incoming calls still come through. If your iPhone is making sounds or vibrating, but the display remains completely black, the issue could be related to the screen or another hardware component. This can sometimes happen after a drop, liquid exposure, overheating, or other physical damage. If none of these steps work and your iPhone still has a black screen, the best option is to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider to have your iPhone inspected. And those are the main steps you can try if your iPhone has a black screen and isn't responding. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.